How to enable and get the dark mode on Discord easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add dark mode on Discord easy and fast in less than 1 minute. So all what you have to do is go to Discord and click down here on this option. Now after you go to the settings, now all what you have to do is go down and search for the appearance option, and here is it. As you can see right here, click on appearance and now choose the dark here in the theme. As you can see, now it's turned to the dark mode, easy and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.